The Tesla Cybertruck was drag raced with a very fast SUV with internal combustion power, the Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. This Jeep takes 3.4 seconds to 60 miles per hour, aided by its Hellcat motor, a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, which develops 707 HP. Instead of settling their ad hoc dispute at the drag strip, the owners of the vehicles unleashed them on a drag race on public roads. We cannot stress enough how important it is to keep your racing in controlled environments, as everything could go south in the blink of an eye, and you would jeopardize not only your life but the lives of other fellow traffic participants. Fortunately for everyone involved, things went smoothly in this case, and the Cybertruck won the short-distance drag race, even though the Jeep was catching up at the end of the drag race.